I'm talking to you, Liquid. That's right. Run into my eye, yes. Come on. Come on, Liquid. Yeah. You can't get me, Liquid. You can't catch me, Liquid. Liquid. Oh. Come on, Liquid. Bullseye. Yeah. Come on, man. You're no match for me, LIQ'UIEEED. Come on. Come on. I found LIQ'UIEEED in my day. Really wet stuff. Come on. It's Cloud Talker. And I'm making tin gloves. And burnishing the wax candle right into it. This glove is fairly new. It's not used too much. It's starting to get its own patina. But here I'm applying wax to make them waterproof. Yeah, if I only did this years ago. Yeah. Still remember how wet it was. Oh well. So once you get it waxed up pretty good, and you want to hold this up there till you see. I'm no expert at this, but I'll tell you right now that who's gonna fight you with tin gloves? If you leave it too long in one spot, you'll pay attention. It's the paraphernalia. Maybe time for a little bit more wax. Go in between the fingers here. It's an old school technique. Turning color. It's good to get it deep in there. Right down to the cuff. In and around all the fingers especially. All the fingertips. So there, that's pretty much done. Wow. Look at that. They feel waterproof. Was that a tear? I don't know. Look at that. I gotta say, they look pretty dirty. Feel waterproof. An onion to the eye. They deal with wetness very well. Would you look at that? Very, very hydrophobic. Very hydrophobic. I don't know. It's pretty hydrophobic if you ask me. That's all I know anyways. There, that's enough of me waxing. You get the idea. Wax on, wax off. A couple times doesn't count. There. I'll be really brave and wear it right in there. I want to do another quick review here for you. It's on this knife. It's a knife made by Anvil. Twisted tarred line there. Lanyard I put on it. It's only a 2 1/4 long blade. It's great for everyday carry. There's jimping there on it. It's one of these styles. You can see through it. Stealth-like. Stealthy. Shh. Simple to unlock. It's very sturdy design. When it's locked, it's solid. And it's good. Now when you compare it against something that's exactly like the Cutco model knife, it's about the exact same size. It's pretty much the same size as the Cutco. Blade's a little bit bigger. It's a little thicker. If you can see it there. Which doesn't always mean better, but it does here. 2 great knives. You can put it in your pocket, never know it's there. So small. I'm gonna do some testing on it, but it's a great everyday carry. And I'm gonna add a fire steel to it. Throw sparks nice and easy. The Anvil. And I'm making myself a pair of Ugly Raven. That's coming along real good. 5 more coats ought to do. No, that's right, this was the 5th coat. 1 more ought to do. 5 coats of wax. Melted it on with the heat gun. It works a lot better when you paint it on. And it puts it on pretty even. Yes, I'll be all waxed next time you see me. Another thank you for this knife. I appreciate this knife. I use it for everything, so comes in handy. It helps if you cut it up.
It's a pair of pants with no one in them. That's right. Nice. Very nice. Tin trousers. It's Cloud Talker's tin trousers. Yeah, you know you got enough wax when your pants stand up by themselves. It's Cloud Talker. And a good pair of pants should stand up on their own 2 legs. Let me go over here, the lighting's better. What do you think of my pants?
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, we got enough wax on that. Look at that. Very rugged.
Makes a difference.
Kicked them right in the...
Not a field test them yet, but I believe your pants should be able to stand up on their own. A good pair of pants should help you stand up. Well,
Unbelievable.
oh well. Not drying out too well. Well, that's the first thing you gotta do. If it's a heavy rain and you need a fire, you need to have it. Find someplace dry. Get a tarp, find a shelter, an old shelter, a camp. Find something, someplace. Even your coat. Even your coat. Oh, you better not tip my last pot of tea. Hey, that's nice and hot. Look at that. Woo! Hot. You know when things just aren't right? You get that feeling? Yeah. Just needs a little more snow seasoning. I'm sure that's all it needs.